Ginger rice pudding is a delicious Iranian dessert. Let's make it. Rinse the rice soaked for 2 hours along with 4 cups of water and 2 slices of ginger over medium heat until cooked. Once the rice grains are completely cooked and opened, add the milk. In a separate bowl, mix rice flour with a little cold milk. Also, mix the breakfast cream with a little cold milk in another bowl. Remove the ginger slices from the rice and add the rice flour mixture, stirring well. Then add the breakfast cream mixture and mix well. Add rose water and orange blossom water, and continue stirring. Keep stirring continuously until it thickens. Add the butter at the end and continue stirring. If you prefer it sweeter, you can add some sugar. I didn't add sugar. Once thickened, transfer to a serving dish and garnish with cinnamon, chopped pistachios, and dried rose petals. Enjoy your delicious ginger rice pudding.